Waiting for a delivery package and not sure where it is? In this video, I'll show you how to track it using Ship24, Delivery's website, the delivery app, or even your mobile number. The fastest way is with Ship24. Just enter your delivery tracking number in the search field, click Search, and you'll see the latest status, movement history, and delivery progress. Ship24 is especially useful if your parcel later moves through another courier or delivery partner. You can also track shipments from other carriers in one place. You can also track directly on Delivery's website. Open the tracking page, enter your AWB, order ID, or LRN, then click Track Order to view the latest shipment updates. If you use Delivery often, the Delivery app is another option. Open the app, sign in, enter your tracking number or open the shipment from your order list. Then check the latest scans and delivery progress. No tracking number? You may still be able to track with your mobile number. Choose the mobile option on Delivery's official platform. Enter the phone number linked to the shipment, request an OTP, complete verification, and open the shipment details. If you are a seller or business shipper, you can also track orders in Delhivery One. Search by AWB, LRN, or order ID to review shipment status, scan history, and even return or NDR flows. For international delivery packages, tracking may include export processing, line haul, customs, arrival in the destination country, and final delivery by a local partner. Ship24 can help you follow these handoffs in one place. Now you know the main ways to track a delivery package. Pick the method that works best for you, and check your shipment status in just a few clicks. Visit ship24.com for more tracking guides.